Today, I'm going to be upgrading a Tech Deck Santa Cruz cruiser board that I got from the 25th anniversary pack, and I'm going to upgrade it into a professional fingerboard. This is like an iconic graphic, and it looks pretty good. And I actually didn't know this in the package, but it has actual kicks. I thought it was flat, like kind of like a generic cruiser, just a flat cruiser. But this makes it way better because then I can actually do tricks on it. Once it's fully upgraded, it's going to be really fun to use. Okay, so first we gotta take these trucks off to take the grip tape off. So let's do that. Last time I did this, it worked out pretty well, but the way this is shaped, I don't know if this is gonna work the greatest, but I really hope it does because it sucks when it doesn't work. Just using some grip tape that I got on Amazon. I think it was like $5 to $8 for a 5-pack, I think. So it's actually not too bad. It's not the greatest, but it gets the job done and it's affordable. So I'm just gonna use this. The trucks I'm going to put on here are Dynamics. These are 32 millimeters, and I think they're going to fit fine. So the top part looks fine. The bottom part might have a bit of an overhang, but it doesn't really matter, I don't think, because I think even the Tech Deck trucks were doing that, so yeah, it should be fine. Alright, there we go. This actually looks really good. The dynamics pair really well with this deck. And now it's time to put the wheels on. I wanted to stay as true as I could to this deck, so what I did was I got some red wheels here. They're just some cheap CNC wheels, but they will get the job done. They're just, I mean, they're better than Tech Deck wheels because they actually have bearings in them. But yeah, I wanted to stay true to it and got some red wheels. Alright, we're all done. This turned out great. It looks so good. I really like how the dynamics pair with this. Just like the entire thing. This looks so good. I don't have any decks that are like this shape, so this is a dope setup. And I'm gonna try, I don't know how it's gonna work out, but I'm gonna try to do some vert tricks. I have 2 quarter pipes, so I'm just gonna set them up and try to do something with them. Might not be the greatest, I don't know how that's gonna work. But I can also get some normal tricks with this because of the kicks. So I'm going to do that, and that will be after this. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe.